Welcome to our review of the 2025 Shelby Cobra 427, a car that brings together incredible performance, timeless design, and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the latest iteration of this iconic muscle car, from its exterior and interior to its performance and price. When you first lay eyes on the 2025 Shelby Cobra 427, it's impossible not to be captivated by its unmistakable aggressive presence. The body is a blend of sleek curves and sharp lines, staying true to the original Cobra's design while integrating modern touches. The front is dominated by a large, menacing grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a bold, purposeful look. The long, flowing hood with its signature scoop suggests power beneath the surface, and the low stance of the car conveys the athleticism that it's known for. The body is crafted from lightweight materials, primarily aluminum and carbon fiber, which not only help with performance, but give the car that low-slung, powerful silhouette. The exterior color options for the 2025 model include the classic Shelby Blue, but there's also a striking range of new metallic finishes, including glossy black, deep red, and even a carbon fiber finish that enhances its motorsport pedigree. The flared wheel arches are wrapped in performance tires, ready to deliver optimal grip. The rear end of the car features twin exhaust pipes, which not only look incredible, but make the Cobra's signature growl louder than ever, adding to its overall aggressive aura. Inside, the 2025 Shelby Cobra 427 stays true to its racing roots, but with a level of refinement that appeals to modern enthusiasts. As soon as you open the door, you're greeted with a cockpit-like atmosphere, with the low-slung seats and simple driver-fixtured layout. The interior is a blend of classic style and modern technology. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, and while they maintain a retro aesthetic with their simple, supportive design, they also come with heating and power adjustments, offering an unexpected level of comfort for a car with such a raw character. The steering wheel is a smaller race-inspired number, with a thick grip and a Shelby logo in the center. It's a nod to the Cobra's racing heritage, but with a modern twist that gives the driver complete control. In terms of technology, the 2025 Cobra 427 is equipped with a digital instrument cluster, replacing the classic analog dials, but still keeping things focused on the driver's needs. The digital display gives real-time information on performance metrics like speed, revs, and oil temperature. The centerpiece of the cabin is a 10-inch touchscreen that houses the infotainment system, which is compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth. It's integrated seamlessly into the dashboard, allowing for easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The cabin also features premium audio, which is ideal for when you want to listen to your favorite tunes. Though let's be honest, you'll probably just want to hear the engine roar. Now let's talk about performance. This car isn't just a pretty face, it's a beast under the hood. The 2025 Shelby Cobra 427 is powered by a monstrous 7.0-liter V8 engine that cranks out over 500 horsepower. The engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, a tribute to the classic muscle car experience. This combination propels the Cobra 4227 from 0 to 60 mph in just under 3.5 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a car that has such a raw mechanical feel. The power is transferred to the rear wheels, and thanks to a lightweight chassis and a meticulously tuned suspension, the Cobra delivers an exhilarating yet precise driving experience. The car features modern enhancements in terms of suspension and brakes. It comes with adjustable coilover shocks, ensuring a ride that can be tailored to your preference, whether you're on the track or cruising on a winding road. The brakes are a huge upgrade, featuring carbon ceramic discs that offer superior stopping power, even after hard track use. This means that despite its retro look, the 2025 Cobra 427 is equipped to handle modern-day performance demands. On the road, the 2025 Shelby Cobra 427 feels visceral and alive. The steering is sharp and responsive, giving you an unparalleled sense of connection to the car. The rear-wheel drive layout and the car's lightweight nature make it incredibly agile, and whether you're taking tight corners or gunning it on a straightaway, the Cobra delivers a level of driving excitement that few cars can match. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Shelby Cobra 427 is definitely a high-end performance vehicle with a starting price of around $150,000. While this may seem steep, considering the performance, craftsmanship, and exclusivity of the car, it's actually quite competitive when compared to other high-performance vehicles in its class. Limited production means that these cars are highly sought after, and the price reflects both the engineering behind it and the prestige of owning such an iconic piece of automotive history. In conclusion, the 2025 Shelby Cobra 427 is a stunning tribute to its legendary predecessors with the perfect balance of classic style and modern technology. It offers heart-pounding performance, a luxurious yet minimalist interior, and an unmistakable presence on the road. If you're someone who appreciates raw power, iconic design, and the thrill of driving, the 2025 Cobra 427 might just be the ultimate driving machine for you. Thanks for watching our review of the 2025 Shelby Cobra 427. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest in the automotive world.